Dear students, see from the middle of the page 81. So, you will go through the speech from Natalia Stepanovna. Forgive us, Ivan Vasilevich. We were all a little heated. I remember now, Oxen Meadows really are yours. Here, Natalia Stepanovna surrendered herself to Lobov, telling that Oxen Meadows really were theirs. Here she did not claim over the possession of the land of Oxen Meadows anymore. Lomov, my heart's beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. Lomov got so much nervous and excited, and at that very moment, he also shouted, claiming over the land again, just after the second time arrival in the house of Chubukov. At the time of conversation with Natalia Stepanovna, he wanted to claim over the land again in this way, telling that, my meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. Natalia Stepanovna, the meadows are yours, yes, yours. Do sit down. We were wrong. Here Natalia Stepanovna again wanted to avoid the matter of dispute with Lomov over the possession of the land again. So she requests Lomov to sit down and expressed her grief or sorrow, telling that they were really sorry and in this respect they all were wrong. Lomov, I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle? Lomov did not want to leave the matter in this way. He again wanted to claim over the land of Oxen Meadows, claiming over the possession of the land. He wanted to tell Natalia, or he wanted to make Natalia understand that he quarreled over the, or he wanted to claim over the land of Oxen Meadows only because of the principle, not of the value of the land. Natalia Stepanovna, yes, the principle, just so. Now let's talk of something else. Lomov, the more so as I have evidence. Evidence means proof. My aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's peasants. That is, here he again wanted to make Natalia understand how he possessed the land. He said that as his aunt's grandmother gave the land to the peasants of her father's grandfather, they did not possess the land. That is, they means Natalia and Chubukov. Yes, let that pass. That's right. Natalia Stepanovna again wanted to avoid the matter of dispute in this way. I wish I knew how to get him started. Here Natalia wanted to get him started about the matter of proposal aloud. Are you going to start shooting soon? Here she also did not know how she would start with the matter. So she wanted to know if he was going to start shooting soon. Here the matter of shooting. Shooting means sport of shooting animals, birds with animals, with guns. Lomov, I am thinking of having a go. Having a go means I am thinking of going to shoot animals, birds with gun. Natalia Stepanovna, just after the harvest or the gathering or collection of the crops. Oh, have you heard? Just think, what a misfortune, what a disaster, what a misfortune I have had. Here, at the time of conversation with Natalia, he wanted to remember that he had had a great disaster. Misfortune means disaster. DISAS, disaster. My dog, guess, whom you know, has gone lame. My dog, guess. Here, Lomov wanted to inform Natalia that his dog, guess, had become lame. What a pity! Natalia got surprised on hearing such type of information from Lomov that his dog, guess, had become lame. And at the same time, she also wanted to know the reason. Why? I don't know. Must have got twisted. Twisted means tangled or injured. Must have got twisted. His dog must have tangled or injured or beaten by some other dogs. Size. My very best dog, to say nothing of the expense. I gave Mironov 125 rubles for him. Here Lomov wanted to express the best quality of his dog, telling that he did not think of the price of the dog because he gave Mironov 125 rubles in order to buy his dog, guess. 125 rubles. Natalia Stepanovna heard this price. It was too much, Ivan Vasilevich. On hearing such type of price of a dog like guess, Natalia Stepanovna got astonished and said that it was too much to pay for his dog, guess. I think it was very cheap. He is a first-rate dog. First-rate dog means excellent dog of the highest quality. It was a dog of the highest quality. Natalia Stepanovna then told Lomov that her father had given 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is heaps better than guess. Natalia Stepanovna informed Lomov that her father had to pay 85 rubles only in order to buy squeezer. And squeezer is heaps better. Heaps better means a lot better than guess. Squeezer better than guess. What an idea! Laughs. Squeezer better than guess. Here Lomov got astonished on hearing such type of comments or remark from Natalia that squeezer was better than guess. So she was mocking at her. Natalia Stepanovna, of course he's better, of course, squeezer is young, he may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree means good breeding of animal. Pedigree means good breeding of an animal. Good breeding of an animal. Good breeding of an animal. He is better than anything that even Volchansky has got. Such type of dog is of best quality. And here Natalia Stepanovna wanted to say that squeezer is young, he may develop, he may grow a bit, but on points and pedigree means on good breeding of an animal, squeezer is better than anything, even Volchansky, the species of the kind of dogs, has got. Lomov then, excuse me, Natalia Stepanovna, but you forget that he is overshot. Squeezer is overshot. Overshot means defect in the jaw. Defect in the jaw. And an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. The dog, here, what is the dog? Or whose dog is referred here? The dog referred here is the dog of Chubukov. That is, squeezer is a bad hunter, according to the description given by Lomov during the debate over the qualities of the two dogs, guess and squeezer. Overshot is he. The first time I hear it. Natalia got astonished on hearing such type of word overshot from Lvov. Overshot. I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. Then Lvov described that his dog is a bad hunter. Chubukov's dog Squeezer is a bad hunter, and his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. His lower jaw, that is, the lower jaw of Squeezer is shorter than the upper. Natalia Stepanovna then asked him if he had measured. Have you measured? If he had measured. Yes, he is all right at following, of course, but if you want him to get hold of anything, he would not be able to catch anything. He would be able to pursue, he would be able to chase anything, but he would not be able to catch anything if he is asked to do. In the first place, Natalia then said, our Squeezer is a thoroughbred animal. Thoroughbred means pure animal. Unmixed. Pure animal. Thoroughbred animal. The son of harness and chisels. While there's no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. While there's no getting at the pedigree. Pedigree means good breeding of an animal. Squeezer is the son of harness and chisels. While in comparing the qualities of the dog of Chubukov, Natalia wanted to point out that there was no getting at the pedigree of Lvov's dog. Yes. At the same time, she also remarked, denouncing the qualities of the dog, that he is old and as ugly as a worn-out cab horse. His dog was as ugly as a worn-out cab horse. Worn-out means poor in health due to overuse. Poor in health due to overuse. Poor in health due to overuse. Worn out. Cab horse. Cab horse means the horse which is used in order to draw a cab. He is old, but I wouldn't take 5 Squeezers for him. Why? How can you? Guess he's a dog. As for Squeezer, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you like has a dog as good as a Squeezer. You may find them under every bush almost. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Handsome means substantial. 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 Enough. Handsome price to pay for him. 25 rubles would be a handsome price, substantial price to pay for him. To pay for him. Him here refers to the dog of Chubukov. Here, Lvov wanted to denounce the qualities of Squeezer in this way. That anybody like Natalia has a dog as good as a Squeezer. Squeezer is a kind of dog that does not have the good qualities like his dog. Here, he denounced the qualities of the dog by telling that 25 rubles is a substantial amount of money, of price, to pay for him. There's some demon of contradiction in you today. Natalia Stepanovna got so much angry on hearing such type of words of hatred like his dog. Ivan Vasilevich, there are some demon. Demon means evil spirit. Evil spirit. Demon means evil spirit. First, contradiction means confutation or defiance. Confutation. or defiance. Confutation or defiance. There is a demon. Demon means evil spirit. Evil spirit. There is a demon of contradiction in you today. Ivan Vasilevich, first you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now that guess is better than Squeezer. For the first time, just after the arrival of Lomov in the drawing room of Chubukov, he claimed over the possession of the land of Auction Meadows, and then again for the second arrival, just after the second arrival, he also indicated the best qualities of his dog in this way by denouncing the qualities of their dogs. The case is better than Squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that Squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. Why do you want to say it wasn't? Natalia Stepanovna wanted to point out that as their dog Squeezer was better than his dog, so he should not argue over the matter of the qualities of his dog in this way. I see, Natalia Stepanovna, that you consider me either a blind or a fool. You must realize that Squeezer is oversold. Lomov then again told Natalia that, saying that they considered him, or she considered him, either a blind or a fool. You must realize that Squeezer is oversold. It is not true. Natalia Stepanovna then denied the fact that Squeezer is oversold. It is not true. He is. It is not true. Why shout, madam? Why talk rot? Rot means rubbish. R-U-B-B-I-S-H. Why talk rubbish? It's awful. It's time your guess was short and you compare him with Squeezer. Natalia Stepanovna then asked him why he talked of rubbish things. It's awful. It's time your guess was short and you compare him with Squeezer. I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know least. Lomov. Madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. My heart is going to pieces. My heart cannot work perfectly. At that very moment, shouts, shut up! Then Lomov wanted to close the matter by telling or by shouting to Natalia to shut up. I shan't shut up until you acknowledge that Squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. Here, Natalia Stepanovna was also obstinate, so she wanted to deny the matter in this way that she would not shut up until he acknowledged that their dog Squeezer was 100 times better than his guess. 100 times worse. Hang your Squeezer, Squeezer, his head, eyes, shoulder, and all these are the bad qualities of the dog. So why he should admit that Squeezer was better than guess? Natalia Stepanovna, there's no need to hang your silly guess. He is half dead already. Natalia Stepanovna, shut up, my heart's but Lomov then weeps. Shut up, my heart's bursting, breaking open. Bursting means breaking open. I shan't shut up. Then during the malicious reach of the fight between Natalia and Lomov, Chubukov enters. Now students, you will see that in both of the cases, you have seen for the first time Chubukov enters during the crucial fight between the two, Natalia and Lomov, and for the second time also during the crucial fight or vocal fight over the qualities of the two dogs between Lomov and Natalia Stepanovna, Chubukov enters. And now here Chubukov wanted to know for what reason they were shouting. What's the matter now? Natalia Stepanovna then said, Papa, tell us truly, which is better dog, our squeezer or his guest? Natalia Stepanovna wanted to ask her father to tell them whose dog was better, guest or squeezer. Lomov then, Stepan Stepanovich, I implore you, I earnestly request you to tell me just one thing. Is your squeezer overshot or not? Yes or no? Lomov then wanted to know from Chubukov whether his dog squeezer was overshot or not. Chubukov, and suppose he is, what does it matter? Chubukov for the first time admitted the fact that he was overshot. But he wanted to point out it didn't matter. He was the best dog in the district for all that and so on. Then Chubukov wanted to claim over the best qualities of their dog's squeezer. But isn't my guess better really now? Chubukov then, don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me. Your guess certainly has good points. Here Chubukov then wanted to point out the qualities of his guess. Guess certainly has the good points. He is pure bait. He is thoroughly unmixed. Pure bait. Firm on his feet. Well sprung. Well fitted. Well sprung. Well sprung means well fitted. In his ribs. Ribs means chest bones. Chest bones. Well fitted and chest bones and all that. These are the qualities. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, the dog has two defects. He is old and he is short in the muzzle. Muzzle means nose and mouth together. Muzzle. He is old. These were the defects. Of the dog. Yes. For the first time, Chubukov pointed out the good qualities of his dog. Yes. He is pure bred. He is firm on his feet. He is well fitted. He is well fitted ribs or chest bones. But at the same time, he also showed the two defects of the dog. One defect is he is old, and the other is he is short in the muscle. Lomov then, excuse me, my heart. Let's take the facts. You will remember that on the Marusinsky hunt, my guest ran neck and neck with the count's dog, while your squeezer was left behind. Then Lomov wanted to point out or remind Chubukov that, let's take the facts. You will remember that on the Marusinsky hunt, my guest ran neck and neck. Neck and neck means level with somebody in a race. Level with somebody in a race. In a race. While your squeezer was left behind. Chubukov then, he got left behind. Chubukov admitted and heard all the argument from Lomov. He got left behind because the Count's whipper hit him with his whip. Chubukov also supported, pointing out that his dog got left behind because the Count's whipper hit him with his whip. After this, Lomov wanted to say that, and with good reason. The dogs are running after a fox when Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep. Here, Lomov says that the dogs are running after or chasing a fox when Squeezer goes and starts pouring acid. Shubhagoptan, it's not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable to lose my temper, and so just because of that, let's stop arguing. And when Shubhagop understood that, Lomov got so much excited at the time of pointing out the qualities of his dog in this way, then Chubukov wanted to stop the matter. I am very liable to lose my temper. Chubukov also got excited, so much excited. He also said that he was very liable to lose. Liable means likely to experience. Liable to lose my temperament. So, just because of that, let's stop arguing. Here, Chubukov suggested that they should stop arguing over the qualities of their dogs. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dogs. Jealous means envious. 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 Everybody is envious of everybody else's dogs. Yes, we are all like that. You too, sir, are not blameless. Blameless means innocent of wrongdoing. Blameless, innocent of wrongdoing. You are not blameless. You no sooner notice that some dog is better than your guest, then you begin with this, that, and the other. And all that, I remember everything. Dear students, in my next class, I shall finish the play. Today, let's finish.